Good morning, students. In the previous videos, we have discussed the chapter question answer, thinking about the test and the project. Today, we will take writing section because it is an important part and how do you write it you should know about this. First question is, who do you think Mr. Nath is? Whatever you know about Mr. Nath, you can write here. Who was Mr. Nath? Mr. Nath is a patient of the doctor, mother of Maya and Nishad. He has scars on his face. These are fire burns. He is ashamed of moving about freely with those ugly scars, so he didn't need to anyone. He lives alone. He has no friend. Perhaps he is undergoing possible surgery. He allows only his brother to visit him on Sundays. Maya takes him for an escaped criminal, but her brother Nisar did not agree with her. His attitude is very sympathetic towards him. He is sensible towards him. So students, you can write in this way whatever you know about Mr. Nath in short and simple language you can write. Second is, what else do you think Nisad and Maya will find out about him? How will they ever be friends? Think about these questions and write a paragraph or two to continue the story. Now, Nishad and Maya, however, agrees to cooperate in their inquiry about Mr. Nath. They manage to get a chance to open his trunk, but they find only clothes and books in the trunk instead of money. One day they question their mother how Mr. Nath got the scars and why he was so reserved. They start a conversation with Mr. Nath also. They find the man was very friendly and loving. In this way you can write. Now next question is conducting a survey. You have to conduct a survey. Have you ever conducted a survey? Say yes or no or I don't. Yes or no, I don't know. Step 1. Study the following questionnaire and discuss points in a small group. A home is a place where, how do you feel? How do you feel? You have to answer. I feel secure. Yeah, I don't feel secure. I don't know. If you don't know any answer, then you can write here don't know. You can be alone. It's your choice. Whatever you want to say. You can keep all your things. You can bring up a family. You can invite friends or relatives. You can make invoice if you want. You can do whatever you like. You are at peace. You can look after your parents. You receive and give love. Collect information. Contact people in the school or your locality. Now you didn't come to school, so you can do in your neighborhood. Put these questions to them. Tick mark their answers in the relevant column. Step 3 is analyze the result in the group by asking how many people think that home is a safe place, how many people think that the home is not a safe place, how many people don't know it. And step 4 is present a brief oral report on the result of your survey. Use phrases such as the following: most people think, few people think, hardly anyone thinks, no one thinks. So you can write this report in your notebook. So students, thank you students.